If you always wanted to make metallic and robotic glitch sounds in FL Studio, I have some great news for you. Today I want to present you a very simple effects chain which will turn any sample into a metallic robotic glitch. The structure of the chain is very straightforward. The sound source is going through transporter set to bouncing mode, which simulates the sounds being stretched. Then through the transient processor, which sharpens up the sound. The next step is the multiband delay, which is responsible for the metallic effect by using the automated morph and scale knobs, then into spreader to widen the stereo image. The final part of the chain is a fruity convolver send. Let's get to work. I'm going to use these kicks as the sound source, but any transient heavy sample will work. Let's load up transporter, get rid of the dry signal, set the lowest minimum length, sensitivity all the way up. Set the mode to bounce and create an automation clip for the bouncing rate. The sweet spot is between -1 and around 0 for the sound I'm after. Now open the automation clip, set it to LFO, and adjust the minimum and maximum value until it starts sounding like the sound is being stretched. Set the speed to about halfway through. Time to add some sharpness with the transient processor. Sharpest shapes, high attack, and release at about 1/3. Load up a multiband delay, set it to steep mode, turn the 0.1 delay time and harmonic scale, and keep pitch option on. Now using the line drawing mode, set narrow band shapes in each bank. Focus mostly on the higher frequencies. Increase the feedback and set an automation clip for scale and morph knobs. Now set up 2 LFOs for both of these parameters. In addition to the LFO tool, FL also lets you draw the automation levels on top of the LFO, which breaks the repetitiveness of it. Let's experiment a bit and see what sounds good. Now add a spreader for some stereo imaging. The final step is adding a convolver reverb as a send. I really enjoy the Spring Reverb 5 preset. Turn the dry signal all the way down and have a listen. We're done with the chain, but here comes the fun part. Best results are achieved through playlist scrubbing. Load up Edison, press Alt, and slide the cursor over the playlist. Now let's run some other sounds through it. Now here's what I did with the sounds recorded using this effect chain. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.